Ever have full confidence that you buy a pineapple and then you don't know what to make? Well, we're gonna make it easy with this roasted pineapple and crepe with some Chantilly yogurt cream. Okay, first we're going to make the batter. So right here I have my bowl and we're gonna whisk in all the ingredients here. Yeah, okay, milk is going in. Touch of vanilla extract. Then whisk in the eggs. 2 whole eggs, 2 large whole eggs are going in. And then I'm going to take 1 tablespoon of butter and we're going to melt this. And while that's melting, we're going to sift in all the dry ingredients, all-purpose flour. I'm going to add a touch of cinnamon, some sea salt, and some ground ginger for some warming spice. Mix those ingredients and just whisk that a little bit at a time. I would do like half a batch and then just mix that together. To save time, we're just going to blend everything in this blender here. Fresh lime zest to this. It goes perfect with that pineapple flavor. And then wait for this to bubble a little bit for like maybe 10 seconds. Okay, so I'm going to put some small batter. Let it get color on one side and cook it for like 1 or 2 minutes, and then we're going to flip it over. Okay, now we're going to make the pineapple juice. You can blend up the fresh pineapple that we do have. I just have some leftover pineapple juice, so I'm going to use that. Do about a cup and a half. I'm going to reduce that into a syrup. We're going to add coconut water, 2 tablespoons of that. I'm going to add some honey. 2 tablespoons of that, and I'm going to add some ginger powder to this, about a teaspoon. Blend that together, and we're going to reduce this for about 15 minutes. Okay, so we're going to cut this pineapple now. And we're going to cut around, removing that hard exterior and also the eyes. Gonna cut down the middle and take out the core. And cut out the core at an angle like this. And the core is a wonderful use of fiber. You can add that to any shake or as a natural thickener. So right now, it's reduced a little bit more than half. This is the perfect consistency for syrup. You can add some more honey if you like at this point. Do a few slices for this video. I think we should do pieces like this way. So I'm gonna okay, a little bit of butter is going in there. I'm gonna squeeze a little bit of lime juice, touch more honey, and all the pineapples going in. And we're just gonna roast that for about 3 or 4 minutes till we get some slight color. And we'll add some of the syrup in there to help all those flavors really come together. You taste everything. Almost there, a few minutes. Here you can add some thyme. If you have some herbs, that would be perfect. 1 or 2 sprigs of some fresh thyme. You don't want to roast this pineapple and lose all that juice and flavor. So at this point we can flip the pineapple over. At this point just add a touch of that syrup in. Oh, look at that. That's how we're going to do it. Okay. Okay. Shut this off. Remove the sprigs. Okay, I have some heavy cream with vanilla extract. And then we're gonna whip this. Okay, here I have whole milk strained Greek yogurt. I strained it for about 1 hour to 2 hours. And then we're gonna fold that in. So I'm gonna see how much we actually need. I think we just might need about a cup. And then we just fold this in. And just fold it in. We don't want this to be very sweet at all, okay? And I'm just gonna take a little bit out so we can. Perfect. There you go. All right, let's plate everything together, okay? Look at this wonderful crepe. Make some wonderful whipped cream, just a little bit for the middle. Spread that and that, touch of the syrup, and some granola in the middle, with some crunch, and then we're gonna wrap this up this way. More pineapple on top. That wonderful roasted syrup, fresh granola, it'd be more like a cloud. Then we could just put a dollop of that yogurt whipped cream and some more zest, the long strands of zest. I think only on the whipped cream. Hey guys, I hope you guys enjoyed watching me make this wonderful dessert. You could turn this into a breakfast. Very light, very easy, and very delicious. Perfect. Look at that juice running out the outside. This is a work of art. You guys, I can't wait to try this, and I hope you guys will actually make this recipe and really taste that flavor of pineapple so it doesn't go to waste. And this reminds me of another recipe. I actually have another recipe that's a bit light, on the lighter side, but more on the breakfast. That is a whipped omelet with some wonderful goat cheese. Very light, very delicious, and also very healthy. Stay tuned for the next episode and take care.